Targeting and scanning. In this section, we will be covering locking on, verbose scanning, WordPress scanning, optimized password dictionary, and quickly brute forcing. Lock on. Now, the trick to any successful hack is to lock on your desired target. What does this exactly entail? Well, your fingers are on your keyboard, ready to execute a series of commands. Lock on is an indication that you have a desired target and are ready to commence your attack on the target for one reason or another. When we have our set target in mind, we're hacking for one of two sides. You're either ethical or unethical. You're a white hat hacker or you're a black hat hacker. Ethical white hat hacking is the good side. Those are the good guys that get hired by companies in order to hack XYZ company. Unethical or black hat hacking, these are the guys that are dangerous. They don't care who they hack, what they hack, or what information they get. If they can hack a website, download data, and sell it on the black market, that's what they're going to do. Now, there's also another type of hacker that's teetering on the fence of white and black hat hacking. Like, it's either good or bad, right? Well, not exactly. They live in both worlds at the same time. So what they do is they'll hack into their servers or website that have full control on the server. Once they have confirmation that they are in control of the server, they will then proceed to contact the company and inform them of their vulnerability. Then offer a ransom in order to fix the issue. Yes, it is a type of blackmailing, but we call these guys gray hat hackers. Yes, because they're gray and shady. If you're friends of the white hat, you know that they can be trusted. If you're friends of the black hat, they cannot be trusted. Gray hat, they're just kind of as skeptic as they come by. Since this course is catered to those who are ethical, before you acquire your target, you will need to have a document that is signed by both parties in order to ensure that nothing can go wrong if you are successful in finding a vulnerability. Both parties indicating you, the hacker, and the other party, which is the company that's hiring you. Having a document signed will keep both parties protected in the event that something does go wrong. And there are a few things that can go wrong, but not quite often that does. For example, let's say that you have a contract with somebody and you're supposed to do assigned work, nothing more. So you are asked to hack into this server with this IP address and see if you can find a list of username. If you do that, and only that, you're safe. If you try to go the extra mile and say, I've also cracked their passwords, you're not safe because they did not ask you to crack their passwords. Now, if you do your work and the client will pay, then they are safe. However, if you do your work and they don't pay, then they're not safe and you can take them to court with your signed document. Now, if they pay and you don't do the work, well, they're taking you to court. Multiple variations and variables can go wrong with a contract like hacking.